So, here I am going to give you some basics of echocardiography, which is a very important investigation in the field of cardiology. So, what is echocardiography and what are the technical aspects of doing echocardiography and the methods of doing echocardiography, as well as how we utilize this echocardiography to diagnose various cardiac conditions and in planning a particular management. So, I am trying to give all this information in this lecture. So, first of all, we know what is the difference between electrocardiogram and echocardiogram. Electrocardiogram, heart as a pump, has got the two properties, electrical and mechanical. So, electrocardiogram gives you the electrical properties of the heart. It tells you the electrical current for the heart is produced where and what frequency it is produced and what speed it is traveling and what pathway it is traveling, whether it is reaching the appropriate place at the right time, whether that appropriate place is responding to the electricity correctly. So, this is the information you get from electrocardiogram, whereas the echocardiogram gives you the mechanical information of the heart. It gives you the mechanical information of the pump. So, it tells you how the heart is contracting and relaxing, what are the intracardiac dimensions and pressures, whether the valves are opening normally or abnormally, whether valves are giving obstruction or leakage, what are the intracardiac pressures. So, all this information is given by echocardiogram. So, echocardiogram gives you mechanical information. So, that is why to say the heart is normal, you have to perform electrocardiogram and demonstrate that the electrical activity of the heart is normal. Then you have to do the mechanical function by doing an echocardiogram and tell the mechanical properties are normal. So, always interpret both these investigations with the basic clinical details. So, this is the plan of my talk. First of all, let us know why we need to know about echocardiography. So, the echocardiography is usually many times what we see in echocardiography report is the last page and the last line, and we think that echocardiographic report interpretation is over. And something wrong, we immediately send the patient to a specialist. So, but what is very important to realize is that basic knowledge in echo will help us to choose the patient we need to send to the specialist as or the specialist as a cardiologist or a cardiac surgeon. And people who do not require any significant or big interventions, we can plan appropriate management and we can follow up the patient. So, the basic echo knowledge will help to choose which patient to be sent to the specialist, and if you are going to treat the patient, what is the management plan for that patient. So, for all this, the basic echo knowledge is going to be helpful.